High-intensity resistance training. Subscribe now, like, and share this video. Try this HIRT workout to get you started. All you need is a set of dumbbells and a bench plus something to do pull-ups off. If you don't have the equipment, you could replace it with things around the house. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. At home. Home set 1. 15 incline dumbbell presses. 10 goblet squats. 10 burpees. 12 bent over dumbbell rows, both arms at the same time. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. Home set 2. 8 to 10 pull-ups. 12 Romanian deadlifts. 10 overhead presses. 20 lunges total, either 10 static lunges per leg or 20 walking lunges. Home set 3. 12 plus close grip pull-ups. 15 press-ups. 20 step-ups holding dumbbells 10 each leg. 8 plus hanging leg raises. Is HIRT your favorite style of training? We'd love to hear some of your most challenging HIRT circuits. At the gym. Gym set 1. 10 barbell back squats. 10 barbell Romanian deadlifts. 10 barbell bent over rows. Gym set 2. 12 incline dumbbell press. 12 plus 12 single arm dumbbell row. 12 seated dumbbell overhead press. Gym set 3. 15 lat pull down. 12 plus 12 Bulgarian split squats or static barbell lunge. 10 hanging leg raises. 15 plus kettlebell swings. However, if you don't want to do a workout because you don't have the time, click the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.